Alright, Discord bots. We all know what they are and their purpose, but how do they actually run? What is hosting? This video might be a little technical, so just a fair warning, but I'll do my best to explain everything. So the word hosting, when regarding Discord bots, means one thing: which computer a bot is running on. That's the most basic way to explain it. All bots run on computers. You can kind of think of them as applications, similar to how you'd open Chrome to search the web. And yes, that does mean you can run one off of your personal home desktop. People don't run Discord bots off of a personal desktop for a good reason though. You see, desktops are designed around how the average person will use them. That doesn't mean you can't run one off of a personal desktop, but for public bots that are in lots of servers, this is actually something that is commonly recommended against. And the reason for that is because of one simple thing: uptime. Bots need to be online 24/7, every hour and every second of the day. Desktops are usually awful for this because, for example, Windows likes to automatically restart to install updates. If you have a bot that's in 10,000 servers and it restarts in the middle of the night, your bot goes down for everybody and you get a bunch of angry complaints. On top of that, what if you experience an internet outage? What if you lose power? These are also concerns because if either happens, again, your bot goes offline everywhere. Most people don't need their PCs on 24/7, so they just aren't designed that way. But if they're not ran on desktops, then what are they ran on? Well, they're ran on servers. Servers are very, very expensive, and they are very similar to desktops. They have a lot of the same components, they're just designed around being online 24/7. We don't own the servers though, and we'll talk about that more in a sec. It's also worth noting that servers also have immense amounts of available processing power compared to the average desktop. This is another reason that bots are better ran on servers than a desktop. I mean, think about it. Bots are in hundreds of thousands of servers. They need something that powerful that can keep up with all of those users using it at the same time. So back on the topic of how we actually get the bot on the server then. So much like the popular phrase of storing it in the cloud, they will let you connect to a portion of their server. And on that portion that you're renting, you can run anything you like on their machine. The amount you pay is proportional to how much of their server you get access to, including how much processing power they'd let you use. So a good analogy for this is thinking of renting an apartment. So you pay a monthly fee to get access to a portion of that building, in the same way you pay a monthly fee to whatever company you're renting from to get a portion of their server. So again, the amount you pay is proportional to how much of their server you get access to. And only you in the apartment complex have the key to it. So before, do you remember how I said servers are designed around 24/7 uptime? Well, it's not just about the server itself. The reason you rent usually from these big companies is because they have hardware dedicated to preventing outages that would take your bot offline. So they have massive batteries in case of power outages, backup internet connections if one of them goes offline, and they even have backup storage drives in case the one that you're using fails. They can swap it out and you wouldn't even notice. This server technology is really cool, and personally, I've been getting into it. So if this video helped you understand Discord bots better, that's the goal. And if I missed anything, or if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I will get to you. So with that being said, have a great rest of your day, guys. Bye.